In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add map on Figma using Mapsicle and Figmap plugin. By the end, you'll be able to drop a clean customizable map directly into your Figma design without leaving your canvas. First, open your design in Figma so you can see the frame or area where you want the map to appear. With your file ready, bring up Quick Actions by pressing Ctrl-K. This is the fastest way to find tools and extensions without digging through menus. In the Quick Actions search bar, type Plugins. Then search for either Figmap or Mapsicle. Both are popular for adding maps, and today we'll launch the option called Figmap Map Maker. When you see Figmap Map Maker in the results, open it and let it run. Once the Figmap panel appears, start by entering your location. You can type a city, an address, or coordinates if you have them. This tells the plugin exactly where to center your map. Next, define the image dimensions so the map fits neatly in your layout. Matching the size of your frame or component helps avoid stretching or unexpected cropping later. Now, choose your map style. Figmap supports custom styles from Mapbox Studio, which means you can match your brand colors and typography-inspired aesthetics across your UI. If you already have Mapbox styles set up, you can select from those. The plugin also allows you to adjust core map properties like latitude, longitude, and bearing. Latitude and longitude refine the center point for precision, while bearing rotates the view so the map's orientation supports your composition. Before you create the final image, set the zoom level and position. Zoom controls how much detail is visible. From a broad city overview to a tight street view, position ensures key landmarks or areas of interest are perfectly framed. Take a moment to align these so your map reads clearly within your layout and supports your design intent. When everything looks right, click Create Map. The plugin will generate the map and insert it as an image fill right inside your design. Because Figmap can create map images without the Mapbox logo, you get a cleaner look out of the box. If you need tweaks, simply reopen the plugin, adjust the values, and generate again to keep iterations fast and consistent. That's it. Thanks for watching.